Boom, baby, Morad Fiki, how's it going? I just wanted to say that this is absolutely amazing. You know, growing up, I grew up in a 1-bedroom apartment with me and my mom. And by the way, that apartment the bedroom was not mine. I had the living room. So this means a lot to me because now, you know, coming from a 1-bedroom tight apartment, which is all we could afford at the time, you know, I'm investing in apartments. It's all about building wealth and creating a legacy for your family. So, you know, I'm just grateful for the opportunities, and I just want to be that glimpse of hope for that child who thinks that he doesn't have a chance. You can achieve anything if you put your mind to it. So I'm looking forward to the future. And by the way, invest. The only thing wrong with investing is not investing. Obviously make sound investments, but make sure you invest. Otherwise you're gonna work until you die. Gotta find ways to make money while you sleep. So this is absolutely outstanding, and I just want to give everybody a shout out and let you know that the sky's the limit. Make sure you take investing to heart. Thank you. Have a wonderful Saturday, and I love y'all.